How to add hometown information on your Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add hometown to your profile information on your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app. Now click on those three lines up there. Click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Scroll down, click on profile information, and here scroll down, you're gonna find add hometown, and here you can click to add your hometown and click on public, and if you are done, click on save to save those information to your profile information on Facebook. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.